Hey guys, Dr. Cody Gordon here. I'm going to teach you how to do the 360-degree neck stretch and posture rehab that you can do every single day, multiple times a day, at work or at home. We're going to start stretching the big muscle in the back, which is the upper trapezius muscle. We want to stretch the central, medial, and lateral components of the upper trapezius muscle. When we stretch the upper trap, what we want to do is use the weight of the head rather than using overpressure to pull the head from side to side. What happens when we overpressure is when I pull that 12-pound head on top of those 1.5-ounce cervical vertebra, it overwhelms those vertebrae. Your brain tells your trap right away to tighten up and get short when we're trying to stretch it to get it long. So we're just going to use the weight of the head. We're not going to use overpressure or pull. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find a neutral position. The best neutral position, or the easiest way to get there, I find, put your fingers on our chin, tuck the chin back. Be able to bring it back a little bit from where your fingers originally touched. Now the shoulders back, put your arms up in a W, pinch your shoulder blades together, hands down, and then I bring my hands down to my knees. Now I am neutral. This is a really nice ear over shoulder, shoulders back position, and I'm going to start my stretch. We're just going to let the head hang down. Using only the weight of the head, we're not going to pull on the head, we're just going to use the weight of the head, and we're going to get a nice stretch. We're going to hold it for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to turn my head to one side, just enough to bring my finger off the center of my chin, so I'm only slightly turned, and now we're going to track directly straight. So straight down from that position, and I'm going to get a stretch coming down my neck and between the shoulder blade and the spine on the side my head is turned to. And I'm going to come up from that after 30 seconds, turn the other way on that side. Then I'm going to come back up, head off the chin, finger off the chin the other way, head slightly turned now. Maybe it's 5 degrees, maybe it's 8 degrees, but we're going to come directly down and feel that stretch. Again, the side you're turned to is going to get more of the stretch this time. 30-second hold, we're going to come back up. Now we're going to get the lateral aspect of the trap. We're going to turn our head about 25 degrees to the side. Imagining I have a pocket on my shirt, I'm going to grab the bottom of the chair, I'm going to look down to that pocket, and then I'm going to lean away. And now I'm going to get a big stretch from under the ear to the tip of the shoulder, and I'm going to hold that for 30 seconds. Come back, we'll come to the other side. Again, the looking into the pocket thing, the leaning away, the stretch is from under the ear to the tip of the shoulder, and then we come back, and we've done the entire upper trap now. So we've done 180 degrees. You still have to pay attention to these guys. They're nowhere near as big a muscle as in the back, but when the muscles get short in the front, they kind of anchor the head forward, and then it's hard to get the head back. So we're going to open up these muscles as well. The way to do that, the SCM muscle and the scalene muscles are the ones that we're interested in, and they attach essentially along the collarbone to the back of the skull and under the mandible, under the chin. The best way to stretch that, we need to move the collarbone and the chin away from one another to get the stretch. What I like to do is hands on the chest, pressure towards yourself and down, just a little bit. It's not extreme, but what we've done here is anchored the collarbone, and now I can turn and look to the side, head back to the side. Teeth together gives you more of a stretch. Wherever you feel like you need a little bit more stretch, you can hold it a little bit longer. Moving around the front of the neck. Once you feel like you've got some adequate. I hope you like that one. Watch it back if you need to, and do that stretch multiple times a day. And when you finish doing the stretch, bring yourself back to neutral. Fingers on the chin, head back. Arms in the W, squeeze the shoulders together, come back. That's the way you get back to the rest of your day. Posture's perfect, get back to the keyboard. All right, next time, see you soon.